In front of me is Lenovo Yoga Tab 11, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage of this device. You need to begin by opening an app called Files. Now click on Clean at the top on the left, above Browse, and select Clean under Junk Files. Last but not least, click on Clear in the pop-up and wait. As you can see, after that, storage of my Lenovo was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!